Hello soulmates and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how to make a 360-degree flay or a circle sketch. So you can call it either of the two. I have my pattern paper here, as you can see in the video, and this is just so simple to make. If you're just in this channel for the first time, I am the Cecilia and you're welcome to this channel. This channel is all about sewing as a beginner and learning all the basic things you have to learn as a beginner and a fashion designer. Without much further ado, let's get started. So to make this part, this circle sketch or a 360-degree flay, we are first going to get our measurements. Let's assume our waist is 10 inches. Yeah, so our 360 for our 360-degree flay, we are going to be looking for our radius. So it is the radius that you will use in getting your circle. And to find our radius, our waist is equals to 2 pi r, and r is the radius. So you remember in those days during your secondary school time, you remember we do something like 2 pi r square, all those stuff. So yeah, this is where you will need it. All you have to do is divide by 2 pi and then you start looking for your r, and our r is the standard r is 22/7. So I'm going to be dividing 22 divided by 7, which is 3.14, and then times 2 because it's 2 pi, right? So that's 6.29, and then I'm going to be dividing 10 by 6.29, and at the end of the day it gave me 1.25. So I had to go calculate it and it gave me 1.25. So that means my radius is going to be 1.25. all right, so after getting my radius, which was what 1.25, I went ahead to fold my pattern paper. I want you to fold it as you can see me do in the video. Then after folding, I measured from that edge the 1.25. As you can see me do, I measured that part 1.25, and I measured this other part too 1.25. I also measured the middle so that I can get a perfect curve 1.25, and then that's just it. I just blend it together. Then I assumed that the length of my flay or skirt is 3 inches. So I went ahead to measure 3 inches round. So after doing that, all you just have to do is cut it out, both at the down part and at the radius side. And here we have our circle. As you can see, if I am to take that measurement, everything is going to be 10 inches, but I forgot to take the measurement to show you guys. So that is it for how to draft a circle skirt or a 360-degree flay. Is both the same thing. If you want to maybe double the skirts or the 360-degree flay, you can go ahead to just cut it into two, as you can see me do in the video. And that is just it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. If you are here to join the family, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure to like this video, I beg. Yeah, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are my G. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Until we meet again in another video, stay blessed, and yes, happy last Sunday of the year. I can't wait to see you guys in 2025. Bye.